I was really happy when I received this little set from Rare Beauty in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I always wanted to try it out and test it out for you. So this is the Rare Beauty Blot and Glow Touch-Up Kit. I'm super oily, so I love to blot. Well, I don't love to blot, I need to blot. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So my review is going to be for oily skin. I will tell you what I love, what I don't like, and if I recommend it for oily skin. This little set retails for $26 and you're going to get 2 products inside. This does come with a nice mirror. You get blotting sheets and you get a pre-filled puff. I'll be listing it down below if you're interested. Both of these are refillable, which is really cool. So if you buy the blotting sheets separate to refill, it's $5 and it brings 100 sheets. So this goes pretty quick. And then this puff, you can also repurchase it, okay, as a refill, and this will retail for $15. So $5 and $15. Lightweight pressed powder formula, natural finish. I would love matte. Best for dry combination and normal skin. So okay, they're not saying oily. Without parabens, and this is vegan. So it says this is a refillable 2-in-1 compact of touch-up essentials, blotting papers, and a radiant powder filled puff. Here's how they tell us to use. Gently pressed an individual sheet of blotting paper over a shiny area on the face to absorb excess oil. So if you've ever used blotting sheets, really simple. If you think this is really big and you don't want to carry this, you can just take the blotting sheets. By the way, this is what they look like. It's 100 sheets, made in Korea, by the way. I take at least 2, so I just did my makeup, but I'm super hot. I'm sweating. It's not even that hot today in New York, but I'm sweating. Right, so what you do is gently press. You never like rub or go like this. You always just press it, okay? So I'm just gonna press it. Maybe the foundation has some oil. So look at that. So I like doing this technique. Maybe I'll do like a video showing you my foundation routine. I like to blot this even before I start getting oily, like just to suck up any grease from the foundation. Another one for my forehead. If I'm really oily, I can probably go for like 5 of these sheets, which is crazy. Okay, this is all like from the foundation and probably my moisturizer. So I'm just patting it, okay? And the good thing is that your makeup barely transfers. It all depends like what makeup you use, really, because I'm not gonna sit here and say like nothing will transfer. No, I don't know what you're using, you know. So that part about the set I love, and I love that it brings 100 sheets. This puff is already like pre-filled, but you have to activate it, and I saw like several people confused about that. So in order for this to come out, you have to tap it in the back of your hand at least 2-3 times. Some people were doing it really soft and nothing was happening. You really have to like tap it. You see how the powder comes out? Because I can see it here. I hope you can see it. Okay, this is where the problem is for oily skin. If you like a matte finish, not that this is gonna make you oily, but it's gonna leave you radiant. So I hope you can see it here. Do you see that? Oh my god, see that? So your whole face is gonna have like this radiant glow. See the difference with my hands? Nothing here, and then this. So unless you like that on your face, that's how you're gonna look. So for those reasons, I wouldn't recommend it for oily skin. Now you can buy this individual. That I do recommend, like blotting sheets to have with you if you're oily. Godsend. I do not like to go in with a powder knowing that I'm super oily and just like suck up the oil with the powder. I don't like to do that. I like to blot first always and then go ahead and put the powder. That's the problem. So here it is. What I would do now, go in with this one, is the newest powder that I got. This is the one size translucent powder, and go ahead And now I can go ahead and apply this, and I will be doing a review on this powder. They don't claim that it's for oily skin, so it's not like it's false advertising. You know, if you also received this in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.